Hello guys, today we're gonna try something new. This one I came to know when I went to UAE this time for a vacation. This is called Freestyle Libre 2. Alright, so what it does actually is it fixes a sensor actually in your arm so that you can monitor your glucose level, blood glucose level every day, before a meal, after a meal, when you do exercise, after you do the exercise, everything. So you at least get a control and an idea about how your blood sugar or blood sugar actually comes high or down, everything you can monitor. So every time, like whenever I go eat chocolate, everything, next day morning what I do is like I pick my hand to test the blood, to test the blood sugar in my blood. So I heard this is something which is painless, hopefully. All right, but I'll tell you a secret. I had already opened one, okay, and tried to see what exactly is inside. But when I saw the needle inside, I was a bit scared to actually try it out. So I lost one. You see the sensor here? This is actually the sensor. All right, the pin goes inside this one. You can see, yeah. So this actually goes inside and it actually comes on your arm. But when I saw the needle size, I was a little scared, and then I wasted one. This one cost around 255 riyal AED. This one, you see, it's around 255 AED. So this is the second one, which I'm going to open it up in front of you, a brand new one, and let's see how it goes. Yeah. So we have okay, so this is like for applying this sensor here, and the sensor is inside here, sealed one. All right, so first let's open this one, twist it, and we can open it up. All right, it's here. Let me try. All right, so what we need to do is, you see this line here, this line, okay, can you see here? This line and this line has to be on the same side. That's what they say. All right, and then keep it on some hard surface and press it. So I'll just keep it here. All right, so this, you see the needle, this is when actually I got scared. I'll be very honest, because I was always not liking the injections or anything, so this is where we need to apply. So guys, this is the first time I'm going to apply. Okay, trust me, looking at the needle, it's a little bit scary. That's why I lost one. So I made this video just because to save your money, so that you don't waste yours as well if you want to try. So I always like to try new stuff, so this is for me to try it. Okay, I'm gonna keep it here. So it's supposed to be somewhere here. Yeah, it's supposed to be here. So let's try. Okay, ready. You saw the needle, right? So it's a bit scary actually, but it's okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. No pain actually. There is no pain at all. But let's see whether it got sticked. Oh, nice. You see? Can you see this? Yeah, now it's sticked here. So ideally, what it helps me to do is, whenever I want to get the reading of my blood sugar, I have an application in my mobile. Just bring it up here, scan it, it will give me the reading. So it will allow me to understand my blood sugar, whether it's going up or down, and basically we get an idea about the whole blood sugar in your own body. So let me try this. It can be applied for, I think, almost 2 weeks or 10 days minimum. So for this 10 days, I'm going to enjoy this readings and understand which food is actually giving me a high on blood sugar, or which exercise is actually helping me to reduce it. So I'm going to keep a track of it, and I'll keep you posted. All right, so I'll see you soon later with the result of this one. Okay, how or what is did it help me or no? All right, see you, take care, bye.